Module 13. Building Information Systems. Building information systems involves designing, developing, and implementing new systems that produce organizational change. In today's digital era, businesses need to continually improve their processes and systems to remain competitive, and building new IS is often the key to achieving this. Building new systems can produce significant organizational change by introducing new ways of doing things, improving efficiency, and providing new capabilities. New systems can help businesses automate manual processes, reduce errors, and provide real-time data and analytics, which can lead to improved decision-making and performance. The core activities in the systems development process include planning, analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance. During the planning phase, the project's scope and objectives are defined, and the resources needed are identified. In the analysis phase, business requirements are gathered and analyzed, and the system's functional and non-functional requirements are defined. During the design phase, the system's architecture and design are developed, and the system's components and interfaces are designed. In the implementation phase, the system is developed, tested, and deployed. Finally, in the maintenance phase, the system is monitored, updated, and maintained to ensure that it continues to meet the business's changing needs. There are several principal methodologies for modeling and designing systems, including structured analysis and design, object-oriented analysis and design, and agile development. Structured analysis and design involves breaking down the system into smaller, more manageable components and defining the relationships between them. Object-oriented analysis and design involves defining objects and their interactions with each other. Agile development is a more iterative approach that involves working closely with end users and adapting the system based on feedback. Alternative methods for building information systems include outsourcing, off-the-shelf software, and cloud-based solutions. Outsourcing involves hiring external companies to develop and maintain the system. Off-the-shelf software involves purchasing pre-built software and customizing it to meet the business's needs. Cloud-based solutions involve using cloud providers to host and maintain the system, reducing the need for on-premises hardware and IT staff. New approaches for system building in the digital firm era include DevOps, continuous integration, and microservices architecture. DevOps involves integrating the development and operations teams, improving collaboration, and streamlining the development process. Continuous integration involves continuously testing and integrating new code changes into the system, reducing the risk of errors and improving the development process's speed. Microservices architecture involves breaking down the system into smaller, independent services that can be developed and deployed separately, improving scalability and flexibility. Business process redesign, systems analysis, systems design, and systems development are essential activities in building and improving information systems, IS, to meet the needs of businesses. Business process redesign involves reviewing and redesigning existing business processes to improve efficiency and effectiveness. This process aims to identify and eliminate inefficiencies, redundancies, and bottlenecks that hinder the business process's performance. By redesigning the process, businesses can streamline their operations and reduce costs while improving quality and customer satisfaction. Systems analysis is the process of examining and understanding a business's current processes and problems to identify the needs and requirements of a new system. During this process, analysts gather and analyze information about the current system, including data flow, user requirements, business rules, and functional requirements. The result of this analysis is a detailed specification of the new system's functionality and requirements. Systems design involves defining the architecture, components, and interfaces of the new system based on the system's functional requirements. The design phase includes creating a high-level system design, identifying and selecting software and hardware components, and defining the system's user interface. During this phase, designers consider factors such as scalability, reliability, and security to ensure the system's long-term success. Systems development involves building and implementing the new system based on the specifications developed during the system's analysis and design phases. This process includes developing software, integrating hardware, and configuring the system's user interface. During the development process, programmers and developers ensure that the system meets the requirements and specifications defined during the earlier phases of the development process.